Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the PCM in your Jeep Grand Cherokee using an easy method. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This crucial step prevents electrical shorts and potential injury. Next, gather your basic tools, such as a 10mm wrench and a flathead screwdriver. Confirm your new PCM is an exact match for your vehicle's specifications before proceeding. Now, let's locate your vehicle's power control module. In most Jeep Grand Cherokee models, you will find it on the passenger side, often near the air filter housing. Once located, gently unclip the 2 or 3 main wiring harnesses connected to the old PCM. These usually have locking tabs that need to be pressed. Then, remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts, typically 10mm, that secure the module to its bracket. With the old PCM removed, it is time to install your new unit. Carefully position the replacement PCM onto the mounting bracket, ensuring it aligns correctly. Reinstall the 2 or 3 mounting bolts, tightening them securely but do not over-tighten. Next, firmly reattach all the wiring harnesses to the new module. Listen for a distinct click, indicating they are fully seated and locked into place. This ensures a proper electrical connection. You are almost done. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, ensuring it is tight and secure. Now, turn your ignition key to the on position for about 10 seconds without starting the engine. This allows the new PCM to initialize. Finally, start your Jeep and observe the dashboard for any warning lights. If everything looks good, take a short test drive to confirm proper operation. Congratulations, you have successfully replaced your PCM.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.